Hey, Greg Jeffries, and in this video, I want to go over the Clickfunnels marketplace. So Clickfunnels is just an amazing tool. I love it. Just keeps getting better and better. And they're basically, if they don't already integrate with all your favorite tools, and they're borrowing features from other platforms out there and integrating them into Clickfunnels so that you don't have to go through other platforms to utilize those specific features and benefits. So one of those is the Clickfunnels marketplace. So if any of you all are Lead Pages customers, then you're familiar probably with the Lead Pages marketplace that allows you to sell your own Lead Pages templates there in the marketplace. The only downside to that is it's freaking complicated. You have to be like a designer slash developer to even figure it out. There's some places that you can outsource that to, and then sell that inside your ClickFunnels. Inside your Lead Pages account. But it's so freaking difficult. I tried to figure it out reading their help docs. I have some HTML background, and I'm a designer as a background. I couldn't figure it out. So you basically have to spend a lot of money to outsource your custom designs, or in like their super expensive package, you can create your own by importing, create your own Lead Pages templates by importing those from a website, and it'll like translate it into the Lead Pages format. But I don't believe you can actually sell those particular ones on the Lead Pages marketplace. So it's a big bummer. It's a huge opportunity if you have the resources to put it together and make it happen. You could potentially make some money there. But ClickFunnels allows you to do that within ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is such an easy tool to use, and they have their own marketplace. I actually don't know where it's located or how you access it in the back office, so what I did is I just, because I don't actually have any funnels in there myself and haven't bought any funnels from the marketplace myself, but just kind of show you some things. Or let me go ahead and show you what I did. So I just went up to help. They have one of the simplest, easiest to use, most useful help documents or help support centers here, and you just type in one word. I just typed in marketplace, and this was like the first thing that came up. A very short video, and it shows you exactly how to get set up. And I didn't, again, know how to access this. It kind of takes you from the beginner of being a seller, marketplace seller, and how to set up your account. Again, I didn't know how to get to the marketplace account within ClickFunnels, so I just did a quick Google search for ClickFunnels marketplace. It was the first one. Takes you to this sales. It looks like this actually, with Russell speaking. And takes you to this page. It's kind of introductory. But if you already have a ClickFunnels account, then you just click I want to become a marketplace seller. And then once you do, if you already have an account, it'll take you to this page. You can set up your seller profile, and it hooks into ClickFunnels, and you can import your funnels there. And then when you make sales, I believe that shows up somewhere in the back office. Let's see if I come down here under account and then account details. I believe it is, let me see, personal page templates. I think it's in the sellable templates here. And once you've purchased any funnels, then I believe they come here under funnels sales, and I believe that's where you'll these may be the ones that you're sold, I'm not sure. But then if you click on the main dashboard, these are your funnels, and then these are the ones that you purchased from the marketplace. You click marketplace there. See, I don't have any, but just another awesome feature. And of course, you can make money with this. That's the whole point, and sell your template. So if you're in any other kind of niche that you think you can help somebody, where maybe it be a specific niche, whether in your high ticket coaching niche, or the health or weight loss, or make money online, or a business opportunity, there's a huge opportunity, in my opinion, for network marketing and business opportunities. I'm not a huge fan of those, but I know a lot of people are in different businesses, and I don't know if they would accept the funnels for specific businesses, but that may be something to try. So if you're involved in multiple different businesses and you're already a leader, already a team leader, then that may be something to consider, to create a customized funnel for the specific businesses that you're in. You can also share those with your team. With ClickFunnels, you can share the funnels you create with your team members, so that way you can incentivize people to join under you and get your funnels. But another option may be to sell those in the marketplace. I'm not, again, 100% sure that they would accept those, but it's always worth a try. So if you're involved in multiple businesses, you can template out multiple different customized funnels and then sell those, and other people that are in those businesses, there's whatever popular network marketing or business opportunity businesses that also have a ClickFunnels account, then they can just go to the marketplaces and purchase it there. So another cool feature by ClickFunnels. This is one of my favorite tools. It's an all-in-one tool, and one of my all around favorite tools for marketers or doing any kind of marketing online. So I highly encourage you to check it out. There should be a link below this video or somewhere on this page where you can go ahead and set up your free account. It comes with a 14-day free trial if you're not already plugged in. And if you decide to take action and get plugged in under my referral link, what I'm going to throw in as a bonus is my Evergreen Empire training, which it's a membership site. I'll just show it to you real quick. This is basically a training that I put together that teaches you all of the top evergreen strategies that I've learned since I've been online, from list building to information product creation, SEO for video and websites, and as well as paid marketing. And I focus mainly there on Facebook ads. So this is the best of the best stuff that I've learned since I've been online. And again, these are evergreen strategies. They haven't really changed much over the years. These are sustainable, scalable, and they're very simple the way that I teach them. They're not super over your head or complex. I really am, a very simple person, and I have to have things explained in extremely simple terms to me. So that's the way I like to teach and communicate with others. So that's what I'm throwing in as a bonus for you taking action. And if you decide to take action and get plugged into ClickFunnels, create your account under my referral link, just contact me, reach out, and I'll hook you up with that bonus as my way of saying thank you. So I hope this gives you some insight and some more information about the marketplace and kind of why it's such a cool feature. And I highly recommend that you check it out, because it's just another way to, if nothing else, you could crank out some funnels. They're so simple and so quick to make. You could crank out some funnels, and if you make a couple sales, you could offset the cost of your ClickFunnels account by just making a couple sales a month. So you can have ClickFunnels pay for itself with this the marketplace. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Again, this is Greg Jeffries, and thanks so much for watching.